Hello. Today I wanted to just make a quick technical overview video of the new Twoolhead version 1.1, kind of explain what it is, what it does, and what's changed since the crowdfunding campaign. So here it is. It is a parallel printing toolhead, which essentially means that it uses two identical extruders spaced half the bed apart to produce two identical parts at once. So this is designed for batch printing, which is especially handy if you're making a product like this where you have lots of duplicates. It is fully open source, so all of the design source files and the bill of materials and absolutely everything that I used to create this is up on my GitHub page. I'll link that in the description. It is Colorado designed and manufactured here in Sheridan, Colorado, actually using filament extruded up in Loveland, Colorado by Chrome Strand Labs. They make this nice purple. And finally, the version 1.1 is the first iteration after the initial crowd supply campaign. And the main change is that we switched to E3D components. Now they make great hot ends. But basically what this gets you is the ability to switch to a higher temperature thermistor if you want to go to high temperature materials, or the abrasion resistant nozzles. All of that along with the quality that you get from E3D. So we're very excited to be working with them. So currently it comes in two configurations: 0.5 millimeter nozzle size, which is the standard. It matches the TAS 5 and 6 and the Lulzbot Mini. So this is sort of a just little nozzle scrubber that I like to print out. Takes about an hour on the Lulzbot TAS 6. You can print two of them in an hour with the 0.5 millimeter nozzle version. You can see that's got really nice detail, good smooth surfaces. If you want to go with the 0.8 millimeter nozzle size, you roughly double your print speed again. So this, you can print two of these in 30 minutes, and you can see the text is a little rougher, the surfaces are, but it's still a functional tool, and you can still, read my business name, and it's kind of neat. And for what this is, that actually makes a lot of sense. And I also I've recently announced that I'm coming out with a third configuration, which is the long block edition. So here, let's swap it out. So this is a version of the toolhead made with the Lulzbot long block hot end. So that massive melt zone and 1.2 millimeter nozzle bumps up the print speed by a lot. Now I'm still doing early profile development on this, but it's looking like it's going to be roughly 10 times the output of a standard TAS 6, which is already not a slow printer, so I'm very excited about this one. Here's a print sample off of it. You can see a lot of the text didn't even show up. The features were too small for the nozzle to show, but the rest of it is fully functional, and it's actually, this should be a much stronger part. I have yet to test that, but yeah, it's not bad if what you need to make is functional and you need to make a lot of something. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited about that. I'll announce soon when this is going to be available for purchase, but it will be through the Crowd Supply website likely. So thank you for watching, and please leave any questions in the comment section below. See ya.